indeed, the name is Allah. It is the greatest of all names. It encrosses conquest and completes all fames. This name, so pure, has no blames, so mighty, glory, full of glowing flames. By the mention of this name, all knees bow, and all creation in submission shall allow. You stand not before man and say, wow, but only the people that understand will say how. The only name that created all that live, the most trusted name the Muslims believe. In accident, in frustration, praises only he receives, and he in turn unto us relieve. The name is unparalleled, full of might. All things are in his sight, even in the night. Graces upon graces, light upon light, in the height. Oh, you who hears, the greatest of all name is Allah. Allah the God, the wise, the single true pure God. The creator, the shaper, the provider and sustainer. Run to the east and west, and it is his name. Run to the north and south, and it is his name. In accident, in frustration, praises only he receives, and he in turn unto us relieve. Yes, indeed, we have been given a great news. It is not the matter of you giving your fake views. For as you rise, it is in the wake dews. The news is unto us a great use. Oh, Muhammad, Muhammad, Muhammad was the call. He arose and taught us a great lesson so that all world would come and listen, and that their burdens among others would lessen, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will increase us in blessings. It is the great news of Islam he brought, even though the Abu Lahs he fought, touch of his character they sought. Oh, Muhammad, Muhammad, he fought. La ilaha illallah, Muhammad Rasulullah, he taught us the way that all homes should stay and say, which we have said even up to today. And truly with this, Al-Jannah lies our way. All Muslims, come and behold, for it is true what Muhammad told. We need to be proclaimed and be bold, not like others who have sold and covered their trust. Then why do we fight among each other? Why do we fight among each other? For it is an illusion set by Shaitan to degrade the light of Allah and to divide you by saying, this is Shia, that is Sunni, this is Tijani. This indeed is the division of Shaitan. This indeed to us is a trouble, and always we make it even double. So where does a disbeliever run to? To Shia, to Sunni, or Tijani? This to us is a trouble, and always we make it even double. Remember, La ilaha illallah, Muhammad Rasulullah bring us under one umbrella. So my dear Shia, my dear Sunni, my dear Tijani, come to me, for we are one brothers, brothers by Allah, born by Islam.